come here to protest, not relating to the immigration which has been done illegally, but the fact that the government of India is not even batting an eyelid to bring our Indians who are being caught in this crosshair of illegal deportation. Because why I call it an illegal deportation is because they are being chained in the most inhuman manner. They are being treated worse than animals. They are being brought in on these military planes, and they are not even being given the basic human rights by a country which claims to be the father of democracy, and our country shamelessly is remaining a silent, mute spectator to this injustice to our Indian brothers and sisters. First question which arises is, why did so many people run away from India? If we had Narendra Modi who came in as the savior of our country, naturally promising trillions worth economy, people should have been coming into India asking for visas. That's what they said. People will be standing in line for visas. But we had flight of people running away from India. Now, many of them have got into US and other countries illegally. We don't condone illegalities, but what we demand is a basic stand-up for our Indian brothers and sisters, that the government of India should tell the Trump administration that we will send our aircrafts and we will bring our people honorably over here into the country. And I think the government of India owes this duty to its citizens. You all know how Donald Trump and our Prime Minister Modi have showcased to the world that they're the best of friends. Even Donald Trump, before he was administered oath of office and secrecy as the President of the United States once again, he made a statement, my friend Modi, though he never invited him for the swearing in, that's a different part. I don't think it would cost just to make one call. Howdy Modi you had over there, and Trump was brought into India. You went and canvassed for Trump. Forget that he lost after your campaigning, but you brought him here and you made Gujarat watch Donald Trump. And what happened now today? If you cannot encash on your friendship, Jai Shankar, our foreign minister, is alleged to have gone there to canvass for getting Modi an invitation for the swearing in, which was unsuccessful. I don't know if that is true or not, but what I am saying is, we have what I have seen, the President of Colombia, he stood up for his citizens and said, nothing doing. We are not accepting these people on this aircraft like this. We will send our aircraft and we will get our citizens back honorably. I think that is the duty and responsibility of the Indian government. It's a shame that the government of India is. We should stand up and tell them, we don't allow this, we don't want it. Without support of the government, I think will be the saddest chapter in the lives of these people. Many who might have even sold their homes, many who might even mortgage their homes, must stand up. Now that our Prime Minister Modi is on his trip, again he is going to go out of India and on a foreign trip where he is going to even go to United States. I think the preliminary part should have been done before the first flight had come out of United States. Think of it. He takes oath as the President of the United States. He starts his mission as he gave his word that he will send the illegal immigrants back. Who was selected? Our Indians were first in the radar. Why was it? If you have such good relations, I hope that the government of India will be in a position to stop this type of inhuman deportation back aircrafts for our people and bring them back honorably.
गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी ज्या पद्धतीन ट्रम्प गव्हर्मेंट हाणे इनह्युमनली भारतीय लोकांक हँडकफ करून लायक अ क्रिमिनल, लायक अ टेररिस्ट जे डिपोर्ट केले, वी आर हियर टू कंडेम द एक्ट ऑफ US गव्हर्मेंट. आमचे यूथ काँग्रेसीचो वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट आमचे बाब आमदार कार्लोस फरेरा, they said that we don't support illegal things, but the way Indians have been deported in a US military aircraft, जे हे भक्त लोक सांगताले पळय की मोदी जेन्ना प्रधानमंत्री जालो तेन्ना आमचे ग्लोबल स्टँडिंग वाडले म्हणून, आता खंय गेले ग्लोबल स्टँडिंग? एंड वाय दीस बीजेपी पीपल आर नॉट स्पीकिंग? ज्या पद्धतीन आज भारतीय लोकांक हँडकफ, हतकड्यो हातीक पांयाक घालून डिपोर्ट केल्या, हाजेर एकटोय उलयना. ह्या प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीन सांगिल्ले की वर्साक आपूण 2 कोटी जॉब जनरेशन करतलो म्हणून. आज म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक गोंयकार, प्रत्येक भारतीयान आमी ह्या मुद्द्याचेर डिटेलान वचपाक जाय की त्या लोकांक आज इलिगली थंय कित्याक वचचें पडलें. कित्याक ह्या देशान आज जी युवा पिढी आसा, आज जॉब ना, ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी ना, म्हणून खबर आसतना सुद्धा ह्या देशाच्या युवकांक आज थंय इलिगली वचचें पडटा. कित्याक ह्या देशान जो इंजिनियर, जो ग्रॅज्युएट जाल्लो भुरगो आसा किंवा चली भुरगे आसतले, ताका आज ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी म्हणटा ती ना. अरे 5 ट्रिलियन इकॉनॉमीचे तुम्ही उलयतात, पूण आमचे भारतीय 205 भारतीयांक ज्या क्रिमिनल पद्धतीन तांकां डिपोर्ट केले ताजेर हे सरकार मौन व्रत घेवन आसा. जो हावडी मोडी म्हणून थंय कार्यक्रम करपी हो प्रधानमंत्री आज कित्याक उगी आसा? वी कंडेम द एक्ट ऑफ क्रिमिनल एक्ट ऑफ US गव्हर्मेंट. आमचो डिमांड आसा की एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्स मिनिस्ट्री म्हाका दिसता ताबडतोब इंटरव्हीन जावपाक जाय. आमच्या आमदारांक सांगले तशें की कोलंबियाच्या प्रेसिडेंटान सुद्धा आपल्या नागरिकांक सांगले ना आमी आमचे ते एअरक्राफ्ट धाडटले म्हणून. आज कित्याक मोदी कडेन आपले जे 8,000 कोटी रुपया मोडून जे एअरक्राफ्ट केला ते धाडपाक ताचे कडेन ताकद ना आमच्या देशवासी भारतीय लोकांक हाडपाक? कित्याक युएसाचे एअरक्राफ्ट, मिलिटरी एअरक्राफ्ट यूज करून तांकां धाडचे पडले? दिस शोज की जे ग्लोबल स्टँडिंग हे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे जे भक्तगण आशिल्ले जे उलयताले हाच्या वयल्यान सिद्ध जाता की आज भारताचो ग्लोबल स्टँडिंगाक व्हॅल्यूच ना. आनी म्हाका दिसता हे प्रत्येक मनशान बारीकायेन आज आमी हाजेर विचार करपाक जाय. हे जे फटाशे हे बीजेपीचे लोक मारतात, अरे 2 कोटी जॉब वर्साक दिता म्हणून सांगिल्ले, आज 12 वर्सां जाली. 12 वर्सां इंटू 2 कोटी करा, 24 करोड नागरिकांक आज एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो. आज गोंयची परिस्थिती तुम्ही पळयात, आज गोवा नंबर 1 जाल्ले आसा इन टर्म्स ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. हाका कारणीभूत कोण? हे बीजेपीचे सरकार, ह्या राज्याचो मुख्यमंत्री. म्हाका दिसता आज ही जी घटना जाल्या जातून एक डिग्निटी मनशाची, अरे इलिगल पद्धतीन गेले, तांकां इंडियन गव्हर्मेंटान इंटरव्हीन करून तांकां परत हाडपाक जाय आशिल्लें. पूण म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी आज या भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या सरकारान आज देशभर म्हाका दिसता भारताचे नाव हें आज उडयल्लें आसा. इट्स अ शेम. वी कंडेम द एक्ट ऑफ दिस US गव्हर्मेंट आणि वी डिमांड दॅट द एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्स मिनिस्टर हॅज टू इंटरव्हीन. ज्यो कितें फॉरेन पॉलिसी आसा म्हाका दिसता ताबडतोब तातूंत इंटरव्हीन जावन आमचे जे देशाचे जे नागरीक थंय आसात तांकां म्हाका दिसता परत हाडपाचो ह्या सरकारान प्रयत्न करपाचो.